I train all levels of organizations, so I train direct care providers all the way up through CEOs. This is really nice because it has given me the tools to work on all of those levels. I definitely learned some new debriefing skills and a lot more about the theory behind facilitation, sequencing, really being more intentional about that.
There are certain activities that work best when you help people loosen up first before you dive into something a little more serious.
I've been facilitating for about 20 years, and I wanted to make sure I wasn't getting stale. So I came to get a shot in the arm, get some new ideas, some new enthusiasm.
A huge aha for me was group development and tying those group development stages. I've learned about the developmental stages, but I've never really learned how to write interventions for those. So I was able to find answers to things like, what do I do when the people from this culture don't speak in front of groups, right? How do I tailor it from playing with kids to playing with CEOs?
Part of the frustrations of solving large group problems is just knowing the proper debriefing questions to work them through that process. And so Michelle gives us lots of great tools.
What seems like simple games in the debriefing, it means so much more,
I love the debriefing thimble. A lot of the tools that she has to debrief large group activities, I think those are very helpful. We continually need fresh products and fresh activities, and Michelle's really great about putting those out and telling you how you can use them and where.
She just has a way to kind of twist every single activity to work regardless of the setting, regardless of the cultural backgrounds of people.